Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Apple Music Replay not working on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to Apple Music Replay not working on iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on my iPhone and iPad. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this brand new video, I give you some solutions for fixing Apple Music Replay is not working on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Now the first one solution is check your Apple Music subscriptions on your iPhone and iPad. Now the first of all find out the music app from the iPhone home screens and open it. Now tap on the account sections. It is to be noted that Apple Music Replay features is available to those Apple Music users if you have a subscribe to Apple Music subscription. If you have a subscribe to Apple Music, if you have a unsubscribe, you will not get your Apple Music Replay playlist on your iPhone and iPads. You must be subscribed and purchase the Apple Music subscriptions on your iPhone and iPad. Now the second solution is most important. The solution is use the correct Apple ID. Now again find out the Apple Music applications from your iPhone and iPad home screen and open it. Now tap on the account sections. If you are not able to use the Apple Music Replay features even if you have bought the subscriptions of the Apple Music, then you should to check your Apple ID. There is a probability that you have a login with the different Apple ID, so check carefully on your iPhone and iPad Apple ID with subscriptions on this ID. If the different Apple ID, then please make sure correct Apple ID to login your iPhone and iPad. Now the third one solution is check your internet connections. Sometimes lot of users use the mobile data on your iPhone and iPad. Then Apple Music Replay features is not working, then go for the Wi-Fi connection to connect your iPhone and iPad and easy to work your iPhone. Now the fourth one solution is most important. The solution is enable the use listening history features on your iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone users question is what to do for the enable these features. Now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app go down and find out the Apple Music tab. Open the Apple Music. After you can see also use listening history features available. If you turn off now, please make sure turn on these features on your iPhone and iPad. Now the fifth one solution is update your music applications on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad and open the App Store. Open the App Store. After you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search Apple Music application. Now tap on the Apple Music. If you have any update of the Apple Music, now please make sure latest versions to update your Apple Music applications on your iPhone and iPad. Now the last and most important solution is update your iPhone software update. So guys, now iPhone users question is what to do. Now first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad and open the settings app. In the general second option is software update. If you have any update available, now latest versions to update your iPhone and iPad. These 6 solutions to you can easily Apple Music Replay not working problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.